As a sculptor, I have all these designs that sit in my head until I can actually finally actualize them. And Transmigration first came about for Burning Man 2018, and it was supposed to burn. It did not, and the build in the dust storm nearly killed the team. Eventually recovered, and the sculpture did look really great out there on the playa. At least that wedding party really had a lot of fun. Then it was packed up and brought back to Chicago. We burned the bench parts, but kept all the CNC plywood panels so that it could be redone for something. That something turned out to be Lakes of Fire in 2022, who was kind enough to give me a grant to do so. I've been into video mapping for a really long time, so it was great to see the quality of the projection work, and the fire dancers were, of course, outstanding. So you see how small it looks in front of that huge building. While I was at Lakes of Fire, it was accepted into ArtPrize, so I was like, amazing, great, I'll paint it. I at least need to change up the look a little bit. And people loved it, and there was a lot of press. First time I've ever really been on TV.
Sculptor is making her first ever appearance at ArtPrize with a large installation outside DeVos Place. Michelle DeSalm shows us the artwork inspired by the myth of the phoenix.
Transmigration. How did it come about?
Transmigration means to pass from one place to another. And I was originally inspired by the myth of the phoenix, which a bird burns itself and then rises from the ashes and lives eternally. So it's actually a symbol of hope. And because I do a lot of sculptures based on birds' wings and figurative works, I wanted to do something that represented the phoenix.
Are you hoping people are drawn to it and they want to touch it? They want to be close to it?
Oh yes, I think this has to be the selfie place. It's meant to be a gathering place.
Yeah, so this is your first time in ArtPrize. What made you decide to come to Grand Rapids and take part in it?
Well, I saw it as an opportunity to have this sculpture placed in an exceptional location. I've learned about ArtPrize for many years, and then to finally have the opportunity to be here is just an honor.
Good. Well, we're glad you're part of ArtPrize this year. Yeah. Thank you so much, Jill. Appreciate it.
Josh, you know I love art, so I love it no matter where I am. But yes, I gotta show you this piece right behind me. It's called Transmigration, which means, you know, to move one place to the next. But the artist was telling me, and the artist from Chicago, by the way, let me say that, was telling me that this was fashioned to look like, and was cut to look like a phoenix, which we all know is a symbol of hope. And what I love so much too, I just love the contrast of the red and the orange right here. So as you walk and move, you can see the differences. But again, this is called Transmigration. You'll see it right out front of the DeVos Center here, and it's one of the amazing, beautiful artwork you will see around here.
The following year it was accepted into the Wicker Park Festival, and then it just kept going. Wicker Park loved it so much they even ended up buying it. It had a great run. Eventually it died. Between the rain, the wood, skateboarders had killed part of it, so parts were PVC. The whole thing, if it had been turned into PVC, it could last longer than the rest of us, but all good things must end. So, all that's left is the red bench here. Which means it could technically be rebuilt because I kept part of the sides, the PVC ones, but